Hey there, welcome to our channel, and if you want to activate auto zoom video feature on your Samsung Galaxy S25 camera, then this video is for you. First, you just need to turn on your camera, then go to video, and here you'll find the four dot button. Simply tap on it. Now scroll, this swipe a little left, and from here you'll find this icon. Let me show you more closer from here it is. This is that icon that will allow you to turn on the autofocus mode. That is actually the auto zoom mode. You can simply turn it on, and then from here you can tap on any object to focus, and it will automatically zoom that to the object, and that's actually the autofocus mode. That you can see that the zoom will automatically, let me show you from here, automatically change to keep people in the frame. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.